Hi everybody, welcome back. Let me tell you how I made my family forget about chicken nuggets. Today we are going to make chicken bites. So I put like 4 eggs in a bowl and mix them up. And what we're going to want to do first is we are going to put on some gloves. And normally I cut these smaller, but today I'm going to make strips. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the strips and we're going to put them in the eggs and let them soak for a minute. We want to get them soaking in there really good so we can hold the breading on. And we used 2 chicken breasts today. So you want to let them sit in there like that. Then what we're going to do is we have some flour in a bag. And then I put 2 cups of flour in there. You can use as much as you want depending on how much you have that you're cooking. I'm also using French onion recipe mix. So we're going to take that and we are going to dump it in the bag. And you can put whatever you want for seasonings in there to give it a good solid taste. And I'm also going to put in some seasoned salt. And then what you want to do after that is you're going to want to mix it all up in there. You want to get a good coating. So you want to make sure all that onion mix and whatever else you put in there gets mixed up in there really good. Then we are going to open it up. Okay, so now that we've got our eggs and the chicken mixed together, and we have our seasoning mixed together, I am going to put on some gloves. Then we are going to transfer the chicken into the bag. I want to make sure it's got good, nice coating on it. I'm going to put it in the bag. These are really good and really easy to make, so if you want to do something quick and easy, it's really, really good. Now that you have your chicken in the bag, I am going to close the bag. And we are now going to mix it all up in the flour and the seasonings. You want to make sure you get a good coating on it. And make sure you get all of them. And you want to wear gloves because it is kind of messy, so, but they're fun. My family absolutely loves these. It's one of their favorites for me to make. Okay, so then when you get done, it should come out breaded. And now we are going to get ready to put them in the oil. You do want to make sure that your oil is already nice and hot before you go and put them in. Then we're gonna add some more. Don't mind all the grease, it'll you want to make sure that they are at 165 degrees. You do not want them undercooked. Nice and golden brown. Make sure you guys hit like and subscribe. It is free. Make sure you let me know in the comments how your chicken bites turn out. If you have any good recipes, let me know, and I'm always up for trying new things. And there you have it. Homemade chicken bites, better than chicken nuggets. You are also gonna like it with barbecue sauce and ranch, but you can use whatever you want on it. I just want to say thank you for watching my video. Make sure you hit the like button and the notification bell and hit subscribe. It's free. And from my table to yours, have a great day.